So this evening, eBay released their Q4 and full year for 2020 earnings report. And in all honesty, it was a really, really good report. They've grown their sales quite considerably, they've grown their profits, they've bought back loads of shares, and they've done really what looks like a absolutely stellar job. And yet, I'm not buying this company, and if you are in this company, personally, I'd be suggesting that you reconsider. Because, well, let's go into that now, shall we? So, now obviously, the global pandemic recently happened, still happening now. Everyone has moved into selling online, everyone's buying online. Online sales have rocketed. Amazon released their earnings a couple of nights ago. 50% growth year on year for pretty much every month last year. When you look at Etsy's growth, 100%, 120%, huge growth. Most online businesses, or most high street businesses with online elements, have seen huge, significant growth. And yet eBay, 28%. Now 28% seems great, that's fantastic. Yet you really have to realise that means they're losing market share. That means all these people that are coming online and buying online, less and less of them are buying with eBay. Now, when you look at what they've managed to achieve, the platform itself, to be honest, it kind of looks like they've not done a great deal with it for the past 15 years, maybe. I mean, my e-commerce business started on eBay, and that was back in 2011, 2010, 2011, that I started selling on eBay. And I don't think the website's really changed at all. I don't think they've really done anything different in that whole time. Now, they are making steps forward. They're sorting out their own payment system. They're kind of trying to get rid of PayPal. They've got various advertising elements within the online platform, very similar to what Amazon does. But they kind of already did that anyway with their kind of pay-to-list platform. So there's not really a huge amount of a difference there regarding the kind of customer experience and regarding the seller experience. So it kind of makes you wonder how much kind of more growth is going to come from this business. When you look at all the other online platforms that are coming up, springing up, although we're not getting online auction platforms so much like eBay, it doesn't really seem to be the main focus of the business anyway. If anything, the main focus of the business does seem to be a bit lost. You kind of have the people that are selling the brand new shop-bought products, which really is Amazon. You have the people that are buying the kind of handmade, personal kind of products, which really is Etsy. So eBay's kind of trying to do that, and in my opinion, failing pretty badly. So really, the main element of eBay is its historic business, which is kind of like a car boot sale app. This is people that are selling their own unwanted products through the auction platform. And I think to an extent that's kind of where eBay's going to end up. Now, I still think the platform's going to continue to grow. Okay, so if you are invested in eBay, there's probably a good chance that your investment will continue to grow. Just in my opinion, there's probably a lot better places that you could be putting your money instead. Because like I say, platforms like Etsy, platforms like Amazon, they're a lot more focused on the specific customer group, and they're being rewarded massively by that kind of increased volume that they're seeing. Which really makes me wonder why people are still investing in eBay. Now, if you're trying to kind of spread your risk and you've got a little bit of Amazon, a little bit of Etsy, a little bit of Shopify, a little bit of eBay, fair enough. But if your main focus for an online platform is eBay, I think that's something you need to reconsider. Do you honestly think that eBay is going to be the biggest growth out of all the different platforms? Now, I'm diving through the earnings report here, trying desperately to kind of finish on a plus, trying to kind of give you some reason to still be invested in eBay. And I can't find it. There just seems to be nothing really standing out about this business. They're growing slower than market average, so they're losing market share. But they are growing. They are making money. They are paying they're paying a dividend, which, like most companies I invest in, don't pay a dividend. So they've got that on them, and like I say, they're doing the share buybacks. They're buying back loads of shares. So obviously they're increasing the value in that regard, and they're making a reasonable profit. But I really don't think it's going to be long until eBay peaks. And when it does, as soon as it starts to see that kind of decline, that's when the share price is going to drop like a rock. Because at the end of the day, there's still a lot of speculation in the eBay price. There's still a lot of kind of expecting that significant, internet boom of everyone moving online, which obviously they're going to do. But like I say, there's a lot of that kind of growth still built into eBay. And I don't think eBay is going to see that much more of it. So I really do think we're kind of starting to reach the top of that peak. And it won't be long before it starts to bottle off at the top. So if you are invested in eBay, I think that's something you really need to be aware of, keep your eye on, and be prepared for when that kind of top of the curve starts to hit. So that's my thoughts. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.